Hi, I'm Remy from PockEmul. In this PockEmul tour, we'll see in detail how to save and restore sessions in PockEmul. When you close PockEmul, it automatically saves the session and reloads it at the next startup. It is really convenient when you regularly work on a given project. If you want to work on another subject, you can save the current session on your local storage. To save the current session on your host system, Windows, macOS, Android or iOS, simply open Storage from the main menu. You can navigate through the whole space of saved sessions, going down or up in subdirectories. You can create a new folder or save your current session by the corresponding button at the top of the screen. When you save the current session, you define a title and a description. The interesting point is that the session is always saved with a screenshot which helps you to identify the session subject at a glance. Let's close the session to see how to restore it. To restore the saved session, just tap on the Load Session button. The storage screen is automatically closed. Let's work a little on the session. For example, we can add a printer. You can easily save the updated session in one single click. Simply tap the Replace by Current Session button on the right and PockEmul will update your saved session. By tapping on the screen image, you enable the extended view with extended options, allowing you to update the title and add a description. Don't forget to save changes before leaving. The Delete Session button permanently deletes the session from the local storage. Of course, a confirmation is requested. The Copy File button, labeled Share Session on mobile devices, copies the session file to the clipboard when you are on Windows or macOS, but use the Share feature on Android and iOS. By this feature, you can exchange your sessions across all your PockEmul hosts. One key point: the session storage location is generally accessible on Windows or macOS, but it is not the case on a mobile device, where the storage location is generally secured and not freely readable by default. To backup all your sessions, PockEmul provides a Backup Restore feature located in the Settings screen. The backup function creates a zip archive for all your sessions, including all subdirectories. This archive is then moved by PockEmul into the download location, which is easily accessible. This allows you to keep as many backup environments as needed in any many backup devices you want. Of course, a restore function is also available to restore a session archive to your local session storage. Oh, and as a PockEmul subscriber, your life just got even easier. Your subscription comes with your own personal cloud storage space as a permanent perk with no time limit. As an added bonus, your PockEmul cloud space is shared between every existing PockEmul platform, so you can use PockEmul anytime, anywhere. There is or will be soon a dedicated PockEmul tour on the PockEmul cloud storage. Enjoy PockEmul!